Ayan na guys, so ladies and gentlemen, iluto na natin na ganyan muna ang ating ayan. So let's start by so ang ginamit natin ay yung potato marbles, kaya ganyan po siya. Pero that's how we start to cook our curry, okay? So ngayon, hanguin na natin silang lahat, okay? Yan. So, after nyan, ipa-fry na po natin ang ating chicken. So what you really want to do is you want to really fry these parts of the chicken with the salt and pepper already. Okay. Nababad na siya with salt and pepper. Correct. And now we're going to put all our ginger, garlic, and bawang. Saute everything nicely. To incorporate all of those flavors. Yeah? Yes. You want the flavor of the chicken, the garlic. Everything in there. So, ayan, diba? All the juices are coming out of the our chicken. And the flavor. Now we're going to put in our water. So now let's just add that water, okay? And palambutin ang manok. There you go. So, amoy tinola na siya, te. And now, you now want to add your So now we're going to add our curry powder. Charat! So ang dami na nating spices dyan. Ilagay na natin ating milk. Of course, everybody wants that milky. Coco Mama Gator. See? Yan ang gusto kong curry. Now we will put, lagyan na natin ang ating patis. Ayan. Now we're going to add our diba? And magic sarap, of course, to taste salted. The umami. So now you know, do you know that that is my chicken curry, everybody? That's our chicken curry. Do you know how to cook our chicken curry? Okay, let's try. Chicken curry.